welcome back to my channel. Is biology subject new to you just like me? So this video is just for you. Watch this video till the end. If you will like the video, then hit the like button. Share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe it for more innovative, informative and interesting videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
What is biology? The biology word is a combination of two Greek words. Biology. Bios means life and logos means study. What is the definition of biology? Biology is the division of science dealing with study of all living organisms. So, what does living organisms consist of? Living organisms consist of human beings, plants, animals, and microorganisms. What are the features of living things? They can grow. They can respire. They can reproduce. They can move. What are the two main branches of biology? Branch deals with plants is known as botany. Branch deals with animals is known as zoology. Thanks for watching.